Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shubhada Group of Education Sirsi. You are watching Satish Sir's physics videos for Karnataka CET and NEET. So here is a problem on units and dimensions. The problem says that rho is equal to given, right? The density is equal to 2 grams per cubic centimeter. Convert it into MKS system. Okay, so it is given that rho is equal to 2 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, so clearly it is in which system now? Which system? We do have a CGS system. We have to convert it into what? MKS system now. Okay, so for that you need to remember this formula: N1 U1 equal to N2 into U2. Okay, so now you need to calculate the value of N2 here. Okay, what is the new magnitude in the different MKS system? So therefore N2 equal to N1 into U1 divided by U2. That is what you need to substitute here. Okay, so therefore N2 is equal to, now you can clearly say N1 is how much? 2 gram per cubic centimeter, and U1. Now how to write the unit here? As the given that rho is equal to mass divided by volume, right? So that's the reason why what I can now do is, for U1 I can take M1 by V1 and divided by U2. U2 is nothing but M2 divided by V2. So that's the reason why it is inversely proportional. So that's the reason why I will get, how much I will get here? For U2 it is M2 divided by V2, right? So that's the reason why it is V2 goes to numerator divided by M2. Okay, so it will be like this. Okay, so now volume can be represented in terms of the length. That is what, length into breadth into height. So that's the reason why you can take it as L3, right? So that's the reason that is what equal to 2 into M1. Now M1 is how much? So this is in the CGS system, right? CGS system. So mass should be in grams. 1 gram divided by M2. Here M2 is there. M2 should be in terms of, in MKS system. In MKS system, it should be in the kg. 1 kg. Okay, into L3. So in the sense here it is, instead of that I can use V2. It is what? L2 divided by L1 to the power 3 now. Okay, 3, as it is V is defined as L3, right? So that's the reason why. How can I write now? L2 is, now L2 in MKS system we can write length in the terms of meter. So 1 meter divided by, in CG system it should be 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter to the power of 3 I can write. Okay, so this is equal to, now 1 kg in the sense it is 10 to the power of 3 grams, and 1 centimeter in the sense 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Clear? So that is equal to, now 2 into 1 gram. Now gram cancelled here. We left with what? 1 divided by 10 to the power of 3 into meter cancelled. We left with 1 divided by 10 to the power of minus 6 here. Okay, so what we are finally left with? 2 into 10 to the power of plus 3. Correct? 2 into 10 to the power of plus 3. So that's the reason why option B is the right answer for this question. In the previous video lectures, I have introduced you about Unacademy plus subscription. So now there is a daily test for you. Okay, T20 free practice test for Karnataka CET. They are offering a new test for you people. It's a daily T20 and it's absolutely free of cost. It's a practice test for Karnataka CET 2021 as well as 2022. This is already started from the November 2nd. You can enroll for the test. It is absolutely free of cost for that. Okay, so you can attempt it live, and let's crack the KCET together with us as well as with Unacademy. Okay, so the link description is in the video's description. You can click that and you can enroll to the T20 free practice test for Karnataka CET on Unacademy. Okay, look at the next problem. The dimensions of the universal gravitational constant are. Okay, so you know that if you want to find out any dimensional formula of any physical quantity, you should know the formula for that. Okay, the formula that has to include the particular variable. Okay, so for example, now you need to calculate the dimensional formula for universal gravitational constant, right? G. g into m1 into m2 divided by r square. R square is the square of the distance between mass 1, object 1 of having mass m1 and object 2 as having the mass m2. Okay, so therefore what I'll get here, gravitational constant g is equal to f into r square divided by m1 into m2 here. Okay, for f force it is mlt minus 2, and radius can be defined, or distance is defined in terms of length L2 divided by mass m2. Okay, so therefore if m2 goes to numerator, I will left with what, m minus 1, and L becomes L3 and T minus 2, m minus 1 L3 T minus 2. So that's the reason why option B is the right answer for this question. Okay, this is how you can easily solve the problem on such type of the questions. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like this video, share this video with your friends and colleagues to support us. Please do subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, make a comment on the comment box so that I can help you with. Wish you all the best for examinations. Good luck.